Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a look at GemRB, which is a portable open source implementation of Bioware's Infinity Engine. And that makes it possible to play, for instance, games like Baldur's Gate. Now, they do release an executable for x86, but not for ARM. And I also tried to build it on RISC-V, and well, the building worked, but I got an error. I built it for OpenGL-ES, but I still got an error about shaders, so that's why I tried it on my Radxa Rock 5B with the ARM Rockchip RK3588, and you can see I'm testing it on, let's just say, a nightly build of Armbian 26.02, Linux kernel 6.19, so you can have a look at the installation. So yeah, there are executables for x86, but not for ARM. And it seems there is a free Baldur's Gate 2 demo. I was a bit too lazy to test that because the engine itself, GemRB, comes with a small demo. So that's what I'm using for now. So you can find the source also on Github, and I will put a link for the website and Github in the description of the video. And they give some instructions to build it. There are required dependencies and some optional dependencies. And well, here they mention, let's just say for older Raspberry Pis, that you can try to build it for OpenGL-ES. But I guess for a Raspberry Pi 5, that's you no longer have to fall back to OpenGL-ES. Because I also didn't have to fall back to OpenGL-ES on the Rockchip RK3588. Now I will show you the packages that I installed. I'll put that in the description of the video. So these are the packages that I installed. And once you have done that, then you can just follow the build instructions. So git clone and then this part of the URL, and then make their builds, go into the build directory, just do cmake space ... and then make, and then with -j you can specify if you want to run on multiple cores. So let's just say I used 4, and then you can do make install. And that should be enough to get it working. So if I start GemRB now, then you can see that we're starting with the built-in demo. So I guess you can read this at your own pace. So I'm going to start the game. So let's walk around a bit. So there is someone else. And then now you can see that we can have a conversation. Solve a series of riddles to continue. Well, let's try that. Who is old and always young, too long for some, too short for others? Well, was a bit of a lucky guess, but yeah, it's interesting to see that you can play games like Baldur's Gate with the GemRB engine, and it also works on ARM, and nowadays with the more modern ARM boards you don't have to fall back to OpenGLES. Yeah, I will try to keep an eye on it if I can get it working on RISC-V. Probably if you have a RISC-V board with a discrete GPU, then yeah, you probably have better OpenGL support, and then you don't have to build for OpenGLES. But yeah, unfortunately, I don't have a RISC-V board with an AMD or Intel or NVIDIA GPU. But perhaps once I have the SpaceMid K3, the open source driver is making a lot of progress, so who knows if we can get it working on the SpaceMid K3, but that is something for the future. So I hope you will enjoy your old Bioware games, and this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.